Hello everyone, welcome to Visit Malta channel. Today I'm going to explain Malta public transport, okay, and what all the options and benefits in Malta public transport and how to use it, okay. And this is the Malta public transport website, publictransport.com.mt, okay. In this website almost you can see all the details and everything services provided by Malta public transport, and I'm going to cover very important benefits from the public transport, like how to apply a card and how to top up the card, and if there is any card for the tourist if you are going to be spend only for a few weeks, and what is the service of Malta bike, and how to apply, and ferry services, okay, and how to use the app to find the respective bus number and the routes. Alright, so let me show you one by one. Once you reach the website, you can use the top up Tallinja card and register a Tallinja card, okay. So initially you have to apply for a new card, okay. Only when you get a new card you can use the card to travel the bus, otherwise you have to pay by cash, okay. So, and this is the Malta public transport, the main location, and the drivers will look like, and the bus also will look like this, and each and every new bus almost have a perfect air conditioning, okay, and the driver will adjust the air condition and the cool and heat based on the current the temperature outside. Right, and due to the COVID, currently the air condition is not used as per the government rule, right? And the Malta public transport, they also offering the event card and the temporary 2 weeks card for the tourister. For example, this is called a 12 single day journey card. Let me show you where you have to apply it, okay? And what else? Yep. So as I said, first you have to register a card, okay, by clicking on the register now button. This is for the people who is for permanently need the card for a long term, okay. So all you have to do is enter your name and surname and ID proof like passport and any other residence card proof and address, and submit, and you may have to pay 10 to 20 euro if I am not wrong. And once you applied, you will be received the card by post in a week or a few weeks. So after that you can use the card in the bus directly, okay. In the bus there is a small machine next to the driver. Let me show you. Here is exactly the machine will look like. So you have to just place the card in the next to the top of the machine, and which will give you the beep sound, which represent the card has cleared almost €1.50 in the summer, and I think in the winter €2, and the night service is almost close to €2 if I am not wrong. Alright, if your card doesn't have any balance, then the machine will give you a beep sound with a small bill saying that card declined. So you may have to pay by cash at the time to driver, and you can travel, and later on you can top up with your bank account, or you can visit any of the Malta public transport offices that is being located in the almost major cities like Valletta and Massa and Slima. So that location you can find the public transport office, and you can top up. Even you can apply for the new card. You don't have to go to the website and register. So you can apply a card directly by visiting the Malta public transport small offices in the respective major bus stands. Alright, and okay, the journey planner is very useful in the Malta public transport app, okay. So let me show you by checking, okay. Valletta is the capital city of Malta. Slima, it's a commercial place and beautiful place, and selecting the respective time, click on the search button, which will give you the map, from where you have to catch the bus, and the bus stop name, and how far the bus stop it is from your current location, and the destination location. Okay, and you can easily identify the bus number, which bus number you have to catch from here, or also you can see the alternative bus numbers, and you can take the bus, and it will show you the number of how long it will take, and what time it will be reached exactly to the respective destination. Another thing is that once you take your bus, inside the bus you will see the digital panel which will showing the bus stop name before it reaches to almost 30 seconds to 45 seconds. It will show you the next bus stop name digitally inside the bus. Also there is a voice announcing the next bus stop name. Alright, so you can easily identify the bus stop information, the next bus stop information, and what time exactly it, approximately it reaches to the respective destination if you are using app. Alright, so you can check the data, and also you can plan your trip by checking the different routes and bus stops and timings and everything. Alright, and what else? Yes, this is the app store that you can install the app from your Apple stores and the Google stores. And of course, yes, you can, after you apply the card, you can top up directly from the website by giving your card number, and if you can check the balance, you can check the balance. For my card it's a 43 euro, and if you want, you can top up the card by click on the home page. You can click on the top up option here, and you have to give the card number, and you can top up by 10 euro or 20 euro, I guess, or you can go directly and visit the public transport office which is located in every major bus stands, and you can show your card and top up by manually by paying cash. You don't have to do that in online, it's up to you. Alright, and this is a 12-day journey card which is very useful for the tourister who is planning to visit Malta for a week or 2 weeks. So they give you for 15 euro card which you can use for the 12 rides of daytime and 6 rides in the night time, and it can be shared by any of your family member. Okay, the normal dedicated card which will be applied under coming to your house, that card cannot be shared by anyone, and it is used only by you. Alright, so it is not shared card, only the respective person has to be use the card. And the card was categorized by the children and the students and adults and different categories, and the card will give you the different colors. Alright, and what else? The 12-day journey card. Apart from that, you can go through all this information which is useful, and to know more detail. And yes, of course, Malta public transport providing the bike which will be available in the major cities. You can use the bike by booking the bike and take wherever you want through the Valletta, through the Malta, and you have to park the vehicle back to the respective destination. You cannot just park anywhere and leave it off. So there is a rule which you can study, which you can get the detail in the FAQ section and how it works. Alright, and you can use the Malta public transport card in the ferry services also. Ferry services is nothing but just a small ship which will take you from Valletta to the Slima, which is the major city. So again, from Slima to Valletta, so just a 20 to 30 minute ride in the small ship. It is called ferry, which you can use the Malta transport card. And if the weather is bad, and the services will be cancelled. Right, so, and this is the card, different colors will be provided for the respective adults, children and students. Right, and that's it. I think most of the important information has been covered. Let me know if this video is very useful, and if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel to motivate me to create more videos. Right, thank you so much for watching the video.